thank you for clicking on the YouTube icon. This icon will help you with an instructional video of how to do. At the moment we're on the accounting equation page, and so what we're going to do is take you through how to go into Excel and also do an example with the accounting equation. So what we're going to do first is right click here. This is the spreadsheet. Right click, it'll go worksheet object and click on open. Now if you're using a computer other than a PC, you might be able to double click, or there'll be another way of getting in. You'll just have to have a go. At any time, just press the pause button if we're going too fast, and that'll enable you to catch up. What I do suggest you do is split your screen, so on half the side you've got the YouTube clip, on the other half you've got your work that you're following through with me. So worksheet object and open, and just maximize the page you're at. So what we're doing today is the accounting equation. On the 1st of February, Sam invests $10,000 into the business. This is the debit side, the green side, the credit side, the red side, and both sides should equal 0. This is my check counter over here. So what happens is the debit side, green side, is where Sam puts the money. So Sam's going to put $10,000 into the business. Debit side, where the money goes. So it goes into the bank. And where did Sam get that? Sam got that from capital. Sam's the owner, so that's a capital account. So it comes out of capital. And note that this here is 0. Okay. If we look at the balance sheet, we'll see that there's 10,000 in the bank and 10,000 in capital. Next thing that happened on the 1st was Sam purchased 2 mowers, 4,600 cash each. So that's going to come out of the bank. So into the bank we're going to type equals minus, because the money's coming out of the bank, 4,600 times 2. That will be 4,600 times 2, or 9,200 coming out of the bank. And the mowers go into equipment. So where did the money come out of? Bank into equipment. So we'll put 9,200 into equipment and see that balances again. Again, you can scroll down. See, bank account now has 800. That's this figure here. And equipment 9,200, and capital still 10,000. And those two balance, which is why we call it a balance sheet. Next one, Sam adds his own vehicle into the business, 28,000. We haven't got vehicles here, so we're going to use equipment for that. 28,000. That's where the money got put into equipment. And where did the money come from? Came from Sam, the owner. 28,000. Notice before I press enter it doesn't balance. When I do press enter, it does. Nice to have a check. Again, debits, green, equal credit, red. Now we have our first of expenses, petrol. Needs petrol to mow the lawns. So we're going to minus $300 from the bank, assuming this is cash. And because petrol is an expense, we're going to put $300 into expenses. Expenses will only go up. Note now we have an income statement, we have a loss of $300. Received invoice for $800 insurance. Now an invoice is not bank. An invoice is a bill. So that's called accounts payable. We will owe these people money. So we'll owe them $800. That's where the money comes from. Having to owe them. And insurance is an expense, so add $800 there. And note that they balance. Received $200 for lawn mowing fees. So we've got cash in finally. $200 for fees. And lawn mowing fees is income. So add $200 to income. And note that income happens here as well. As we're going through, you'll see that there is these little red triangles, and that gives us a little clue as well. An invoice is a piece of paper stating that amount owing. It will be added to accounts payable. So we've got clues as we go through. What you are to do is to go through, complete all of this, scroll down, and just check that the balance sheet balances, how much the income is. Once you've done prestige, you'll see down the bottom of the page, I'll see if I can show you down the bottom, you've got Davy and Focus to do as well. I'll see if I can put the answers up for you as well. They should be saying Prestige A, Davy A, and Focus A, so you can check your work as well. Good luck with this. Thanks.